Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Cat. I'm trying to make her come here to me, but I'm scared. Oh, she's scared too. Underneath the car. Yeah. I'm trying to give her the small hand. She smelled it. I'm not sure what it's like. Let me give her scratch. Socks. Mew. Up there. The roof. Carpet. I'm not sure where he goes. He's not there. Oh no! Where from carpet possibly? 5 cats, okay. There's one fat cat there, one snowy. Carpet, 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 carpet. Carpet boy. Boy. Don't go near there. Chụp, 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 chụp. Không phải là boo. Keep an eye on this cat underneath the car there. You too. She hates her brownie. Suck. That is Mama Cat right there. I call her Gray. Oh no, Snowy! Chewy! I pour water on you, big suck. What's that? Oh, you steal me from that. Let's chase now. Water's coming, your biggest fear. Let's chase. Ew, nasty. Just like that. So that there's naughty Snowy. Oh, there's already enough cats here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna set you guys now. Put some water as you can see. Travel can. Now we're going. Okay, I accidentally chased Brownie. I wanted to chase Snowy, no Brownie. Brownie, carpet there, sitting down. 5 cats. 6, 7. Grade 7. Will you let me touch you? Oh, guys, look. Sucks me the left tail. Okay, now it's gone. This cat on my floor. And she's up like this Mama Cat underneath my favorite place. And this kid is not happy about Mama Cat there.